Pupunta nga pala kami sa Rose Farm. Samahan nyo kami doon at titingnan natin ang napakagandang rose garden. See you there, guys! Oh guys, nandito na tayo sa flower roses. Tingnan nyo pagkagaganda ng rose. Oh, ayan. Oh, wow! Wow, wow, wee! Oh. And some up here. Wow. Lakad tayo hanggang makarating tayo doon sa dulo. Oh, tingnan nyo naman ang gaganda ng mga flower. Oh. Oh. Oh, di ba? Wow. Dito tayo sa Morwell, Victoria, part of Gippsland. Oh. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Napakaganda, guys. Napakaganda. Ang masasabi ko lang, napakaganda. Oo. Oh. Every spring hanggang summer, oh, ayan. Ganyang kaganda ito. Mamimili ka lang kung anong gusto mo. Kung anong variety. Wow, this one is napakalalaki, oh. Oh. Wow. Ang laki, oh. Oh. And this one. Wow. Oh, ayan. Wow, ito pa. Wala kang tulak kabigin talaga sa gaganda ng mga bulaklak dito, guys. Oh. Deep red, oh. Wow. Oh. Ang ganda, guys. Nakakatuwa talaga. Grabe. Grabe na yan. Ganda. Ito pink, oh. Pink naman. Pink. Wow, oh. Pink. Some orange. Wow. Punta tayo dito sa loob ng ano. Dito, sa loob. Oh. Ito, merong maliliit. Ayan, oh, maliliit na bulaklak. Oh. Meron pa ding maliliit, guys. Ayun. Oh, ito. Oh. Punta tayo dito sa loob ng kulungan. Haha, kulungan daw. Hindi ang kulungan, guys. At si Mr. Charlie waiting for me. Oh, ayan pa, guys. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, ito maliliit lang siya. Pero full. Grabe. Wow. Oh. Wow, talaga naman. Wow. Ngayon, lakad tayo dito, guys. Oh. Oh, ito pa, ha? Ang ganda. Si Mr. Charlie andyan na, ha ha ha. Ito, oh, itong gusto ko, guys. Napakaganda, oh. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh. Grabe. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Wala akong masabi kundi wow, wow. Oh, look this one, guys. Oh, wow. Ang ganda ng mga ano. Oh. Si Mr. Charlie busy na, oh. Ayun. This one. Wow. Mapapawaw ka talaga sa ganda, oh. 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 Wow. Grabe. Smells good? I smell some. Very, very nice. No. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Yes. Yeah, very nice smell. Oh, look at that, oh.
The yellow one?
The yellow one. Very nice shape. Look. Wow.
Go around this side.
Yes. And the other side. Sabi ni Mr. Charlie. Oh. Oh. And roses everywhere, guys. Up to there, oh. Up to the other side. Yo, kikita nyo ba yan? Up to the other side. Oh, roses everywhere. Oh, wow. Grabe. Tapos meron pa ditong Center Island, oh. Oh, ayan. Ganda. Ganda. Oh. Oh, ayan guys, sabi ko sa inyo, oh, 'di ba? Tingnan niyo naman, oh. Oh. Lahat roses. Oh, napakaganda. Oh, wow. Ang masasabi ko lang, lahat wow, wow, wow. Wow at wow. Grabe, oh. Ito pa, oh. Oh, wow. Very good smell. Wow. Oh, Morwell Centenary Rose Garden. Wow. Oh, eto pa guys. Oh. Merong sign, oh. Morwell Centenary Rose Garden. Very, very nice. Tapos to, oh. Oh, ganda. Oh. Hanggang dun sa kabilang dulo, kagaya ng sabi ko nga. Hanggang dun sa kabilang dulo, oh. 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 Grabe. Ang masasabi ko lang, puro grabe. At wow. Sa ganda. Oh. On the other side ng kalsada, oh. Kikita nyo naman. Grabe. Puro grabe na lang ako. Grabe. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at this. So, what are you doing there?
Not much.
Not much?
Not bad.
Not much. Tingnan nyo guys to, oh. Maliliit ang bulaklak, oh. Ito, liliit ang bulaklak niya. Tingnan nyo naman guys, oh. Dito na sa bubungan nila.
Interesting, isn't it? On the
Sa
one
bubungan,
plant,
sa bubong, oh.
all different colours.
Oh, at si Mr. Charlie. Ha ha. What? What did you say?
3 different colours,
Yeah.
depending how old they are.
No, if new is pink.
Yeah.
And then when they getting
Faded.
old,
Faded.
they faded. But some new is white as well.
Just like you and I. When we're new, we're pink. When we're old, we're faded.
Sira ulo. Ang ganda dito, guys. Kung magpapakasal kayo, it's good for wedding venue. Oh. Charlie, a little bit here, please. Okay. It's dark there. It's dark. More. Yes. Oh guys, ito na guys. Tapos na ang ating magagandang nakita. At tayo uuwi na. Dadrive tayo about 30 minutes. Going home. Oh. And this one. Yes. Very, very, very nice color. Oh. Yes, and very nice gum tree daw, sabi ni Mr. Charlie. One more time, going to our car. This one is fruits? This one? Tree? This tree? I think this is fruits.
I reckon it is too.
Yes, what kind of fruits? Guava?
It's small now.
Oh, maybe this is grab apple? No. I think this is apple.
Could be crab apple, like you said.
Yeah,
See the
grab
flowers?
apple. Yeah. Yes.
To the left.
Mm. Darling, wait. Ngayon guys, Dito na kami sa car.
Oh, what's those
Tapos na
sticks?
kami. Tapos na kami. Ah,
It's getting kindling
Yep.
for number 80.
yep. Ito guys, drive na. Si Mr. Charlie. Oh, ito. At makikita natin pa yung mga roses. Oh, ayan. O, di ba? Napakaganda,
So,
di ba?
mention all the pruning.
Oh, ayan, oh. Roses talaga naman. And meron silang central roundabout. Oh, rose.
Oh, hang on, let's go around.
Okay, let's go around. Oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan pa. At eto pa.
And again,
Oh, yes.
Again?
Eto pa.
and again.
Oh,
You wanna go
yes. At eto pa.
again? You wanna go again?
Nainap. At eto pa, oh. Oh, di ba? Sus mio, sobra kaganda. Oh, bye-bye, Rose. See you next time, next year.